In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background on Zoom. If you want to keep your space private, look more professional, or simply hide a messy room, the background blur feature in Zoom is a quick and reliable solution. Start by joining an active Zoom meeting on your PC. You'll need to be inside a meeting window for this to work, not in the home screen. Once you're in, bring your attention to the lower left corner of the meeting window. That's where you'll find the stop video button, the same place you use to turn your camera on or off. Right next to stop video, you'll see a small upward arrow, a tiny career icon. Click that arrow. A short menu will pop up with several video-related options. In that menu, select Blur My Background. As soon as you click it, Zoom will instantly apply a soft blur to everything behind you while keeping you in clear focus. You'll see the change right away in your self view, and everyone else in the meeting will see the same blurred background on your video feed. This effect is designed to gently obscure your surroundings without creating harsh edges. If you move a little, your face should remain sharp, while the background stays defocused. For the best results, make sure your face is well lit and avoid strong backlighting from windows or bright lamps behind you. Even front-facing light helps Zoom separate you from the background so the blur looks clean and consistent. A quick note on what blur does and doesn't do. It applies only to your camera video, not to any screen sharing you might do. It also doesn't change your audio, so be mindful of background sounds if you're in a noisy environment. If you wear clothing that closely matches your wall color, the outline may look softer. Adjusting your position or lighting can help the software distinguish you more clearly. If you don't see the Blur My Background option in that menu, it may be because of your app version or your computer's capabilities. The feature generally requires an up-to-date Zoom client and compatible hardware. Availability can vary by device, so check your organization's guidelines or Zoom's support resources if needed. And that's it. Once you've clicked Blur My Background, you're good to go. Your surroundings are tastefully obscured, and you stay front and center, ready to focus on the conversation without worrying about what's behind you.